Altcoins are following a pattern we've only seen once before. And if it plays out, we're 2 weeks away from a major breakout.
We had previous pivot highs in March. We had this breakdown very similarly to what Bitcoin did on the weekly, with a bull flag breaking down to the 50 SMA, this green line. And we had a similar move, a breakdown to the 50 SMA. What I'm specifically looking for here is on this new breakout, we see as soon as we find support on the 50, we have a breakout above the yellow line, this 21 SMA, and a consolidation highlighted in this turquoise color for roughly about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks on top of the 21 SMA before we had the final blast in the altcoins again. Now looking at the pattern we are in now, we can see a similar pattern, a breakdown to the 50 SMA, support bounce coming in, the 50 SMA support, a push higher above the 21, which is fantastic. That's what we wanted to see. And we can see that we are holding support on our altcoins or with our altcoins on top of the 21 SMA. Now we're currently 3 weeks into this, so it looks like we might still be in a consolidation move for roughly about another 2 weeks with the altcoins, if history were to repeat, before we can actually try and push higher with the altcoins. So great looking chart for me for the altcoins, expecting further upside potential. Just looking at the stochastics RSI here, we can see we have breached the 80 level. We're trading above the 80 level. Looking at this previous market structure here, we can see that it was very similar around this 80 area. And then we had this final push higher on the stochastics RSI for roughly about 3 to 4 weeks with this push of the alts and then a breakdown again to the 50 SMA. So now we already have a more momentum we had during this consolidation period here. So this is also looking fantastic for me, and expecting the stochastics RSI to hold above the 80 for maybe a little bit longer than it did in this little push here that we saw. So great looking chart, fantastic for the altcoins, expecting a little bit of consolidation and then another push higher for our altcoin.
If you want to get this trade alerts early, it's all in the FFA.